Good morning, everyone. Today is my birthday. So, I've already gotten up and everything. I had check-ins this morning. It was just like a midweek check-in just to weigh myself. So I'm still at 124.4 pounds. And then all I had this morning was a coffee and I just got dressed. We are headed to the grocery store because I'm about to cook myself some good food. Oh my gosh. So I am going to have steak and eggs for breakfast, and then maybe have a salad for lunch, or maybe not. I might do, because originally I was going to do lobster tail for dinner, but I might move that to lunch because guess what, you guys? My coach said I can have a free meal tonight, an untracked meal. And I'm just like, what? I can have a cheat meal? I can have an untracked meal tonight for my birthday? Thank you. Thank you. So now I'm over here looking up the best restaurants. Like, what do I even have the taste for? Oh my gosh. Like, what do I want to eat? Where do I want to go? Oh my gosh. So we're gonna see how the day plans out. I'm gonna see if I can find a spot. Like, I don't even know what I have the taste for. Like, I need to figure out what I want to taste, the taste that I have for dinner, because there's so many restaurants out here, and oh my gosh, I just want to have some good food. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I'm so excited for that. That kind of just made my day. I get to have a free meal for dinner for my birthday. You guys. Best birthday ever. Okay, but anyways, we're about to head to the grocery store, and I know I want to have steak and eggs for breakfast. I'll probably still get some salad stuff, still do the lobster tail pasta, spaghetti squash pasta. I still just wanted to try the recipe and make that. And then we're gonna do my watermelon cake, and then for dessert I did want to make some nice cream, so it's just gonna be frozen bananas blended up, and I'm gonna top it with like walnuts and stuff, make it all cute. So, and I'm gonna see about dinner. Like, I'm gonna look up a restaurant and we're just gonna go with the flow for today. It's my off day from the gym. I'm off from work. I slept in this morning. I got some good rest last night, and I'm feeling really good. I'm happy. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful. I'm so blessed. Like, thank you that I'm alive. I can see another day, another year. Let's make this next year the best year. Like, and just continue to grow and to evolve, you know, and just to learn every single day. So yeah, okay, you guys, let's go. steak and eggs for breakfast. So my coach did let me have a cheat meal today. That's going to be for dinner. I'm gonna figure out a spot later on tonight, and figure out where we're gonna go. For lunch, I'm gonna go ahead and just make the lobster tail pasta with this spaghetti squash. So that's just gonna be for lunch. I'm tracking all of my breakfast and lunch and everything else, and then we're just not gonna track the last meal, my free meal. So that's what we're gonna do. And then tomorrow we're gonna be back on track, back on top of everything, workouts, meal plan, everything. She is going to be dropping my calories tomorrow, starting tomorrow. So it's going to be down to 115 carbs, and then the same 30 grams of fat, 140 protein. So my overall calorie is going to be dropped a little bit starting tomorrow. But we're just going to be back on track and everything. And yeah, almost showtime, you guys. I had my consultation call earlier, so we got my suit all designed up and everything, and they are going to deliver it like 2 or 3 weeks out. So they're gonna start designing it and everything, and then once they're done making it, they're gonna let me know, and I'll send in my final measurements, and then they'll do the final seams and everything and just mail it out. And they said it'll be here before, about 3 weeks before the show. So I am excited for that. And then we're kind of just like getting all the little stuff done, you know. How am I gonna wear my hair? How am I gonna wear my makeup? And just all those things. So we just gotta, like, you know, take our time, go through all of that, and just decide. And yeah, just, you know, dialing on in, you guys, and just staying on track so we can do so. But I'm gonna finish eating, and I'll check back in with you guys later. So I'm just finished cleaning up the kitchen, and then I got some flowers, so I'm gonna prep those, and then we're gonna get the watermelon cake together. And then a little bit later on, we're gonna start on my lunch meal, which is gonna be the spaghetti squash, sun-dried tomato, Cajun-y feel pasta with lobster tail and shrimp. I know it's a lot, but I saw it on TikTok, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try and make it for the first time, and I just know it's gonna be so good. And then we're going to, I need to look up some spots for dinner tonight, and then just get ready for that. And I may or may not take a nap in between everything. And yeah, that's honestly gonna be the rest of the day. Today is just a go with the flow day, and today is just a eat good and sleep good day. That was my plan for my birthday. So I don't even know if I'm gonna like dress up tonight. I'm thinking just do casual. I don't really feel, honestly, I don't really feel like doing my makeup or anything. But I might, I don't know yet. I will decide that later on. And yeah, like I just want to be like comfortable today, you know, and all that stuff. So yeah, but I am enjoying my day so far. So good. I'm just like relaxed and at peace, and just I'm happy that I get a free meal tonight, so I know I'm gonna eat good at whatever restaurant I'm gonna be at, and just enjoy my company, invite my friends and family and everything, and just enjoy. So yeah, and then back to business tomorrow. So yeah, getting up in the morning, back to 4 a.m. workouts, dropping the carbs so the calories are gonna be lower. And then I have work, and then after work tomorrow, got church, and then to sleep, and then on to the next day and the rest of the week. So yeah, just gonna relax and enjoy today, and back to business tomorrow. Yes. Oh, and I am gonna prepped some bananas for my ice cream tonight, so I'm just gonna cut up some bananas and pop them in the freezer, so by tonight they should be frozen and ready to go for the ice cream. Some flowers. Now the main reason I got flowers, I haven't got myself flowers in a while, so I got some, but I'm also going to be putting some on the watermelon cake just for decoration. So I will probably snip it 1 or 2 or 3 just for decoration for the cake, and then the rest will just be sitting on my kitchen counter. back from dinner, my birthday dinner tonight. It went really, really good. It went really well. I got to just spend time with my friends and family and just enjoyed myself and eat some good food. And I am really just so grateful. I'm so thankful, grateful, and blessed. And I'm just happy that I got to spend time with my friends and family and just to be here and be alive and breathing and moving and grooving. And yeah. So, just got back from dinner. I wanted to make my nice cream and then I'm gonna go to bed and go to sleep. And then we're back to work tomorrow. Gym in the morning, work in the morning, back to work, back to business, back to the grind. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Wednesday begins 6 weeks out. Hustle mode 1. Okay, that's all I gotta say. What I'm gonna do is just blend up the bananas. I'm gonna add a splash of almond milk, splash of honey, and a splash of nut butter. Whip all that up. I'm gonna fold in some nuts like walnuts, pecans, and probably top it with that as well. And then we're just gonna call it a day. And that's gonna be my nice cream. And then we're going to rest for tonight and get up in the morning. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching my birthday vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah. Thank you so much. Alrighty guys.